Hello safety fans. Today we're joined by SCT's Vice President of Engineering Services, Nick Walters. Thanks for joining us today, Nick.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Now, while falls from height get a lot of safety focus, and rightfully so, falls on the same level can cause serious injuries as well. And this year OSHA made some changes to these standards, correct?
That's right. OSHA updated the walking working surfaces standard in Subpart D, which is also known for covering the slip, trip, and fall hazards. OSHA also improved the requirements in Subpart I concerning fall protection systems. Generally speaking, the changes are designed to help get general industry caught up to the standards of the construction industry.
Interesting. So let's start with just the basics. What is the definition of a walking working surface?
OSHA defines a walking working surface as any horizontal or vertical surface that an employee uses to work on, walk on, or gain access to a work area. This updated standard will affect millions of workers nationwide, and OSHA estimates it will prevent 29 worker deaths each year.
Saving worker lives is always a great thing. So what are some of the biggest changes?
Well, first off, employers now have more flexibility in choosing a fall protection system. Employers used to use guardrails as the primary fall protection method. Now employers can choose what type of fall protection works best for them. Approved options include safety nets, personal fall arrest systems, and travel restraint systems.
Now, the standards for ladders were also updated too, weren't they?
You got it. Employees using ladders that extend more than 24 feet will need to have a ladder safety system or personal fall arrest system. Employers must also ensure that portable ladders must have slip-resistant rungs, aren't moved or shifted when a worker is on them, and aren't used on slippery surfaces.
Now, those sound like some effective changes.
They are, and it's to ensure that updates help save lives. Employers are also required to make sure their workers are properly trained by a qualified instructor about the fall and equipment hazards.
Well, Nick, I think that's all the time we have for today. Thanks so much for joining us and for all this information. If you or your employees need training on these new standards, SCT has you covered. Visit www.sct.us.com or call us at 1-800-204-1729 to schedule your training with our expert instructors today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.